Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the ultimate guide to selling on eBay. If you're looking to make money online, selling on eBay is a great way to start. It's one of the largest online marketplaces, with millions of active buyers worldwide. So, if you're ready to take your online business to the next level, then keep watching. First things first, let's talk about the importance of keyword research. If you want to succeed on eBay, you need to know what people are searching for. That's where the keyword selling on eBay comes in. By targeting this keyword, you'll be able to reach people who are actively looking for information on how to sell on eBay. Now, let's move on to the steps you need to take to start selling on eBay. The first step is to create an eBay account. It's a straightforward process and you'll need to provide some basic information, such as your name, address, and email. Once you've created your account, you can start listing your items. The next step is to research the market. This involves looking at what items are selling well on eBay, and what prices they're going for. By doing this, you'll be able to identify items that you can sell for a profit. You can also use eBay's completed listings feature to see what similar items have sold for in the past. Once you've identified what items you want to sell, it's time to create your listings. This is where your keyword research comes in handy. You'll want to use your target keyword selling on eBay in your title, description, and tags. This will help your listing show up in search results when people are looking for information on how to sell on eBay. Another crucial step in selling on eBay is to provide excellent customer service. This means responding to messages promptly, shipping items quickly, and resolving any issues that may arise. By doing this, you'll build a reputation as a trusted seller, which will help you attract more buyers in the future. Finally, let's talk about some tips for success on eBay. First, you'll want to make sure your listings are visually appealing. This means using high-quality photos and including detailed descriptions of your items. You also want to be competitive with your pricing, but make sure you're still making a profit. Tip number 1, offer free shipping. Buyers love free shipping, and it can help your listings stand out from the competition. If you can't afford to offer free shipping on all your items, consider offering it on items that have a higher profit margin. Tip number 2, consider offering international shipping. eBay is a global marketplace, and offering international shipping can help you reach buyers outside of your home country. Just make sure you're aware of any additional fees or restrictions that may apply. Tip number 3, use eBay promotions to drive sales. eBay offers a variety of promotions, such as discounted listings and free listing offers. Take advantage of these promotions to help boost your sales and reach more buyers. Tip number 4, optimize your eBay store. Your eBay store is your online storefront, so it's essential to make sure it's optimized for both buyers and search engines. Make sure your store is visually appealing, easy to navigate, and includes all the necessary information about your business. Tip number 5, leverage social media to promote your listings. Share your listings on your social media channels, such as Instagram and Facebook, to reach a wider audience. You can also consider running social media ads to drive even more traffic to your listings. Tip number 6, consider using eBay's promoted listings feature. This feature allows you to pay for higher visibility in search results, increasing the likelihood of your items being seen by potential buyers. Just be sure to set a reasonable budget and monitor your results closely. Tip number 7, offer excellent customer service. We've already touched on this, but it's worth repeating. Providing excellent customer service can help you build a loyal customer base and positive reviews, which can, in turn, help drive more sales. Tip number 8. Price your items competitively. Take some time to research similar items on eBay to see what they're selling for. Price your items competitively to attract more buyers, but make sure you're still making a profit. Tip number 9. Optimize your listings for mobile devices. More and more buyers are using their mobile devices to shop on eBay, so it's essential to make sure your listings are optimized for mobile. This means using mobile-friendly images and formatting, as well as making sure your listings load quickly. Tip number 10. Keep track of your eBay metrics. eBay provides sellers with a variety of metrics, such as sales and traffic data, to help you monitor your performance. Use this data to identify areas for improvement and make adjustments as needed. And that's it for today's video on the ultimate guide to selling on eBay. I hope you found these tips helpful in your eBay selling journey. Please remember to like the video, comment and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. See you in the next video.